Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to visit the Rosen Inn at Point Orlando, and we are going to walk through the hotel, the bar, restaurant, all the way up to the room, and hopefully you'll like it and you'll come and visit us soon. So here we are entering the lobby, two double glass door. Very nice wood floor. Everything seems clean, bright, and clear. Luckily, there's not a long line. Oh, nice fan. And here is the kind of cozy bar restaurant.
Yes.
Not too busy at this time of the day, but certainly worth checking out later.
Bar area.
As you can see, you have a lot of TVs and a pool table to have fun. And we'll check out the menu later. From the back door, you can also exit to a little terrace or porch if you want to enjoy the outdoor. Just
We walking other side and check it out the light bite market. What kind of stuff they have?
You can find everything you need, a little snack if you're hungry, some pizza, hot dogs, ice cream, a lot of cold drinks in the fridges, and water bottle. Snacks, chips, peanuts, everything you can want. Oh, and very important, milk and some sandwiches and coffee bar for the morning for your breakfast. All right, so we're done with Lite Bite. Let's check out the outdoor. That is a very nice porch, closed porch area. You can stay even when there is torrential rains outside. A very nice big spot TV so you don't miss the games, and nice environment.
Vacation Plant Center. You can buy the ticket also too. In this hotel, they have a main restaurant. It's called Plaza Garden Restaurant. Right now, it's closed. Look like it's closed, but look pretty big. I don't know what kind of food they serve. Look like American food, regular food.
No, maybe the other store might have. Right, buddy? Okay, hanging up.
All right.
I think it's time to check out the surrounding. Oh, here is a very useful map of the entire hotel complex. As you
They have
can
a
see,
three pool.
three very big swimming pools. I think it's worth going check them out.
Going to second pool. Car parking area. Each building they connect parking in front of them. There's a helicopter right here. This helicopter ride is next to the hotel, very just next door. Today is kind of windy. That is the second pool. Only few people. Not bad. Pretty big pool. Okay, let's go walk again. That's the gym area. That's the third pool. Thank you. This is the third pool. It's busy here, few people. It's a lot of wind here. Look at that tree. Okay, let's go. Now I'm walking to the room. Let's see how the room inside. Okay, I'm going to elevator area. You can use the stairs also if you want to, but I'm using elevator. Okay, just reaching our room. Okay, we are entered the room. They have a first couch here, two bed, neat and clean so far, TV, They have a drawer, you can put your clothes here. Hanging clothes here too. Few hanger, microwave, fridge. This is a sink. Other side you have a bathroom, towel, shampoo. Look okay. And they have a tiny coffee machine and ice box. Look nice. Okay, next day morning we're going to breakfast and take a shuttle. Shuttle bus to going different park. Basically, they go Universal Studio.